This is the second part to the SAS Viya 3 presentation. So we log into SAS Viya. We're going to then go to SAS content, courses. We are going to YVA 185. We are then going to click basics. We are going into the demos folder. And then we are hitting VA1 demo 2.2. We're going to double click that and open it into the studio. So once it loads, you can see this is set up similar to the first part of SAS Viya 3. So this is the top pane right here. This is the left pane and the right pane, and this is the workspace. So from here, we are going to click metadata. In the top pane, we are going to click profile. So then we click profile right here. So then, if necessary, click Run Profile to execute the profile. So we will do that right now. So you can see that the session table is current to the plan. So then in the top pane again, we are going to click Table. So this is the table given. So then in the left pane, we're going to click this button right here, which is the properties for the source table. So in the right pane, we're then going to click Plan to view details about the steps performed in the plan. So we can see we're going to click Plan on the right side. And we can see it goes rename, convert column, trim white space, trim white space, split, remove, calculated column, and then calculated column again. So with step 8 selected right here with calculated column, we're going to view this calculation in the workspace. So we can see that the calculation is delivery date minus the order date. And this step calculates days to delivery by subtracting these two things right here. So then in the right pane again, we are going to have this plan selected, and we are going to then select step 7. And the calculation is different than step 8. So this step basically is calculating profit by subtracting total cost and multiplying the unit cost times the quantity from the total revenue. So basically, in order to reference a column name that contains blanks, you need to use the following syntax column name. So we are going to click Options for new columns right here, and the new column displays $signs and decimals. And then we are going to click Cancel. So then we are going to select step 5, which is Split. So this step splits customer ID into 2 columns. The first 5 characters represent customer ID, and then the last 2 represent the loyalty number, as you can see right here. So then we are going to click the down arrow and select Run from Beginning to execute all the steps of the plan. So then once this was ran, we are then going to select Plan again. And then in the upper right corner of the plan, we're going to click these 3 right here, which is options, and then we're going to save as. So in this name field, we want it to be VA1 demo 2.2. And then at the bottom window, we want to verify that the save plan and target table is selected. And then in the target table name field, verify that customers clean is specified right here. And then if the name of the target table already exists option, verify replace table is selected. And then at the bottom of the window, it should look like this. And then we're going to click cancel because we do not need to save the plan. But when it is saved, it will automatically be loaded into the CAS server. And then you can open the results of the plan by clicking in Visual Analytics by clicking the 3 dots.